SPSS is a powerful software package used for statistical analysis of data. It allows user to perform various tasks such as statistical procedures, data management, create visualizations, and generate reports. SPSS is particularly popular in social sciences but also used across many fields like market research, customer behavior analysis, and risk management. SPSS is a paid software. However, you can also use its 30 days free trial version. To download SPSS free trial version, click on your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type IBM SPSS software, press enter. Click the first link that says IBM SPSS software. Press try SPSS statistics for free. This will lead to the registration page where you enter the required information like your email ID, suggest a strong password, type your first name, last name, select your country, add your phone number, choose the option that describe yourself, such as a student or an employer. Type your company name. If you are a student, type your university name. And if you are an employer, then type the name of your company. Press next button. When you press the next button, the IBM send 7-digit verification code to your registered email ID. Just copy paste that 7-digit verification code here and press the submit button. After that, your IBM account will activated. Just click the login button. Type your IBM ID, press continue, enter your password, press login. This will take some time and it also depends upon your internet connection. At this page, click your profile button. Click My IBM. Now click the download button. Scroll down the screen and select Download for Windows 64-bit. Once you click the download button, the download will start. Once the file is downloaded, double-click the installer to begin the installation. Just accept the license and press Next. Choose the default path and press Next. Click the Install button to begin the installation. Once the installation completed, click the Finish button. Activate your subscription by logging with your IBM ID. Once you install SPSS, then double-click the SPSS icon present on your desktop. SPSS provides two main views in Data Editor window. The first one is Data View. This is the actual spreadsheet where you enter, view, and analyze your data. The second one is Variable View. This is the view where you define the structure of your data. For example, in the name column, you can specify the name of your variable, for example, age. In the type column, you can specify the type of your variable, like either it is numeric, data, string, etc. The width column tell about the total number of characters allowed under this variable. The decimal column tells the total number of decimals in the numerical data. In the label column, you can describe your variable. Values column, you can assign the values to the labels. For example, one, if you have a categorical variable, then you assign one for the male and two for the female. The missing columns specify the missing values. The columns specify the width of the column in the data view. A line will specify the data, either it is aligned on the right side, left side, or being on center in the data view. And in the Meyer column, you can select the scale if your variable is numeric, and if you have a categorical variable, you can select ordinal or nominal based upon the nature of your data. In the role column, you can specify the role of your variable, either it is an input variable or a target variable or both, etc. So this is the data view where you can edit your data, and this is the variable view where you can view the structure of your data.